Hello dear students, I'm Dr. Ashish and you might be knowing me, okay? So I teach for various exams, okay? And I've been teaching in the FMG sector for the past 14 years, okay? And I think you all are very tense regarding the upcoming exam on 31st August, okay? And I think by the time you see this video, hardly, how many days are left? Hardly 30 days are left. So that's why we are here for 30 days plan, okay? Now first thing is have belief that you are going to pass the exam. So first thing is write somewhere you will pass the exam. So remember, first thing is you will pass. Anything else, no negative thought. Negative thought is like a sinking ship. It will sink you. Even if you have the best boat, even Titanic could not be saved. So that's why it is an unsinkable ship. So that's why please have no negative thought. You will all pass the exam if you do smart study and follow some of the advice we faculties have, okay? So based on all this thing, okay, so first is, let me give an idea what are the easiest plan, okay? So even if you do 5 MCQs a day, just 5, okay, clear? Let's say there's a topic in any subject, kidney. So no, in kidney physiology, no, there's a question on transportation. That is, where is sodium, you know, the answer is PCT. Except the magnesium, all are reabsorbed in PCT, so one question is done. So we know, okay, fine. Then one question always come in PSM about what? The primary health center, their population in urban area, hilly area, okay, or ASHA worker. So if you are doing this topic, you can at least solve 5 MCQs. Correct? Yes or no? So read 5-10 topic and at least 5 MCQ. Into 30 is 150 out of 300 pass. So that is the easiest thing to remember, that you can all pass the exam with just a knowledge of how many questions, just 5 MCQs a day. Are you clear now? Okay. So that is a very, very important thing. Okay. So now what are the important things? First is correct your sleep cycle. That is the biggest advice as a faculty I am giving you with so many years experience. Most of you, including me, we are night owls. Exam is what? Morning exam. And you have to wake up at 6 a.m. on exam day. And if you are in a habit of sleeping at 3 o'clock and waking, because you cannot postpone ki I'll go and give the exam after afternoon. No. So that means I've seen so many students, they were just sleeping, drowsy, and they just wanted the exam to be over. So pass, fail, leave it, sir. We are so boggled, okay? And this to some take modafinil, etc. So therefore, my advice, please correct the sleep cycle. It need at least 15-20 days for it to be corrected. So that's why make sure that by 1 or 2 a.m. sleep, please. Clear? So please sleep by 1 or 2 a.m. Okay. Second thing is make proper timetable. Please, I'm helping you bit, but you have to take this thing on yourself, that you will make what? The time. So that's why first, and wake at around 7-8 a.m. So if you make a habit of waking 7-8, then exam day, obviously 1 hour you can wake without any problem. So that's why make a habit of sleeping 1 or 2 and waking 7-8. Okay. So what does this timetable involve? Okay. So first thing is, remember, we have 24 hours. So first is take the essentials. So remember, you should take 6 to 7 hours sleep. So that is why don't ignore the sleep. It is most important. Okay. If you're not sleeping, memory formation occur in the sleep. There would be no memory. So remember, memory is formed where? In sleep. So how can you ignore the sleep? So that's why the most important thing is the sleep. Okay. Then take out 2 to 3 hours for your food. Then your routine activities, okay, that freshen up, etc. So walk, take a walk. Make sure you're taking a 15-20 minute walk in the morning after waking. It increase your metab and make your sympathetic activate, and that maintain that you are able to work very well. Okay. So walk and then freshen up, okay, etc. Fine. So food, water, this, okay. Then come the remaining time. So remaining time, remember, try to study 12 to 14, maybe 15, but not beyond. Too much study is not required, is the study time. Is study, okay. So it is a study time, okay. And 1 to 2 hours, which is remaining, depending on your this, you can do is for MCQs. Now my advice is do only past MCQs. Don't try to get any book from the market, and the best is past exam MCQs. Okay. And for the past exam MCQs, especially because the chance of repeat question asked are very high. So past MCQs. And what is my advice is, we are already having a Telegram group on which we are daily discussing at least 15-20 past MCQs with explanations. So that's why you join, see the previous post, and in the end we'll post the paper that you can see. So at least 1 to 2 hours you can give for past exam, plus be online for checking the updates. Okay, so online, that is active online to check the updates, etc. Anything new, any change. So MCQs plus online time. Okay, so that's why I'll write it as your online time. Okay, so you can use social media also. Okay, check some WhatsApp, etc. Okay, so that is your online time, 1 to 2 hours that you can take mostly, whatever. Okay, so what are the idea for MCQ? My advice, you can join our Telegram group. Okay, so on the Telegram group you will find the information about that. Okay, clear? So it is @integrated learning group, integrated learning group. Or in case you cannot find, you can just give me a SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram. Better give me Telegram, because most of the time I am available and we are making sure all your queries are answered. Okay, so all doubts, etc., all are being updated with most faculties who are topmost in their level. They are trying to help you as much as possible. More than around 3,500 students are already members and they are learning daily. Okay, so you can join it. Okay, fine. Then that is the done thing. Okay, now what is the source to study? So source is basically notes. Whatever coaching, whatever classes online you did, notes are the most important. Are you clear? Followed by your what? Your one-liners. There are so many good books in the market about the one-liners, like even like the one I always advise, that is All-in-One, Publish and Mist All-in-One. Okay, so it's a very you can say crisp book. Okay, which cover a large amount of one-liners. Okay, or even Bhatia LMRP, Last Minute, even any author. Okay, like Kamal KV sir has some book. So any book is there in the market, you can use. Okay, and the PDFs are available in the group, so you can get them. Okay, so in case you don't have any hard copy, you can use the PDF in the group and get the study material. Okay, so notes are most important, followed by one-liner, or there are also quick notes. So anything who want quick one-liner or points, they can again ask me. I will try to help as much as possible in this case. Are you clear? Okay. And MCQs, I told you, MCQs are best. You can use any book, but better you use the past MCQs. Don't do very old MCQs. Okay. Try to do 1, 2, 3 years back MCQ, more than sufficient. They will cover bulk of the material. Okay. Now, what are the important subjects? Remember, the main subjects are 3 only: PSM, Gynae Obs and surgery. I have seen people pass exam just by studying these 3: PSM, Gynae Obs and surgery. So these are your, what do you say, sweethearts. 3 sweethearts. Hold them and you are going to pass. They cover almost 100 MCQ. So 100 MCQ you can get from these 3 subjects only. Okay, clear? Then come important subjects. That is very important. They are not as main, and they are your path, physio, pharma. Why they are important? Because they cover medicine. Okay, so either you read medicine properly, or if you do these 3, it help us in solve 70-80% of medicine. That's why they become very important. And add ENT, Optha, because they're very scoring. ENT, you go through the notes. Okay, like Dhawan sir notes, very good. So ENT or Optha, Ray sir notes. Okay, they are very good. Okay, so notes, all faculties are good, they are great. So you can use any notes. Okay, the ones my students use, they are mostly by the faculties I've just enumerated. So that's the case. Okay, so any notes, again, most happy to help you. Okay, so ENT, Optha. Okay, fine. Okay, then come the important subjects. Apart from these, okay, they are just important but not up to the level. Okay, like small subjects, they are important, but since they are having lesser weightage, 3-4 MCQ, that carry the point. Okay, plus and not biochem. I know they are important, but point is it's difficult to remember many facts. Okay, so that's why again they are important and not biochem. Okay, peds I put here because peds is again very easy if you read all this pathophysiopharma. Okay, like in patho you are learning about this hyaline disease, and in peds they teach physio, that is surfactant, they will again teach the pediatric. That is very complementary. Okay, so peds I'll put here. Okay, fine. So they are this anat, biochem, micro, forensic medicine, etc. Okay, so this is the basic idea about this. Okay, clear? So that is the idea. Okay, medicine I'm not mentioning. Why? Because medicine would be done and covered in a very separate manner. Okay, so now how many hours you have got in total? So total hours you have received after all these would be for study around 400 hours. So what is the number of hours we will receive? 400 hours. If you take what? These into account. Okay, so 400 hours are available to you people. Okay, now what is the strategy for this? Okay, so remember, this is a rough idea. Okay, and I'll upload this PDF, you can all download and get. Okay, so you can get it from the links in the end of the video also. So go 30 gold mines for 30 days. Okay, so subject with to be reviewed mainly from the notes. Okay, clear? In case you don't want to do, at least do what? You please do one thing. That is what? You read at least important topic. That list also we will provide if you want, or at least if not, then one-liners. So do something rather than nothing at all. Okay, so either in all notes properly, or important topic from the notes, or at least if not else just do one-liners, most important. Okay, so they are, I know, not a good way of study, but again, nothing is worse, anything is better than nothing. Okay, so put what? 4 days for your gynae surgery obs, and I think you'll be able to cover at least in 12 days these subjects. Which one? Surgery, gynae, obs and PSM. Okay, then next target should be your small subjects. So small: skin, ortho, radio, psyche, anesthesia. 20 or 30 hour, 5-6 hour each you are able to finish with the notes itself. Okay, so do plus see the images, because in derma images are very important. Derma, radio images are also very important. Okay, clear? So that's why notes are good. In case you're not able to do notes in this any subject, like let's say ortho, you don't have any good notes and you are not able to finish or understand, at least do one-liners. Most common fractures, cast, fine. Or in case the same thing occurs in case of, let's say, skin, at least read about psoriasis. Okay, pityriasis, they are very important. Or tinea. Okay, so that is something very important. Okay, now come the third lot. The third is this lot which I told you. So you do path, pharma, physio. Why? Because they are interrelated. Okay, things you read in physio very well, you will be seeing them again very soon in pharma, like autonomic system, the respiratory system, the cardiovascular, inotropic. So that's why they are all going together. So try to give them this much time, and I think within approximately 6 to 7 days you'll be able to do these subjects. So around 6 days. So how many we have got? 12 or 6, 18 or to 20. So 20 days you are having all these done. Okay, clear? Fine. Okay. Now what is the other important concept here? Pediatrics. Okay, ENT. Okay, pediatrics, ENT. Okay, so what you can do for pediatric, ENT, okay, and anatomy, okay, you can take around 15 hours, and even ophtha. Okay, ophtha 15 hours. Okay, so if you give 15 hours to these subjects, within 4 days I think you will be able to finish these 3 subjects: pediatrics, ENT and ophtha. Okay, fine. Then you take the remaining subjects, anat 20, biochem 15, micro. These are not very, you can say, easy to remember. They are all mugging subject. Biochem, anat, year 2. So they are mainly factual subjects. So they're mainly factual. So might be bored, you might be not interested in covering. So that is why my idea is you read mainly important and one-liners. Like example, like forensic, poisons, their antidotes, IPCs, clear? And some important things like what is vicarious responsibility, okay, or what is habeas corpus. Okay, so all this important. Definition of juvenile and rape. Don't ever miss rape, and this because very important. Okay, so one-liners you can do. Okay, so anatomy, read important things like the derivation, neural crest derivative every year they will ask. So that's why they're important. Biochem, glycogen storage disease, rate limiting enzymes. So all these things are already mentioned, important topic lists you can get and do. So that will take around 3-4 days again, okay. So ultimately in 28-20 days you will be able to do them all. Now regarding medicine, so medicine, if you're doing physiopath very well, you don't have to worry much, okay. Plus good thing is I will be running a program which will cover bulk of the integrated part of medicine like MI, hypertension, JVP, ECG. So that would be streamed online on YouTube. So what you can do is you can see the medicine class I'm taking on YouTube, okay. That will be live, okay. Again, link etc. would be available. So start from 1st August. Okay, around 1 to 2 hours, okay, 3 or 4 times a day. So exact details would be available. It'll cover mainly the integrates, not just medicine, it is integration where we will learn about one subject and the relation with all other. So if you want to skip medicine also, that will not be a problem if you just go through these, okay. So you can skip medicine reading from the notes, you can just undergo the revision program. R is what? Revision program, okay. So it is a rapid revision program I'll be running. So it is a rapid revision program. Are you clear now? So that is the idea we are having. So rapid revision program, okay. So finally, if you are doing this plan, okay, make sure that if you are sticking to your plan, that is important, okay. So let's say you have 4 days and you're studying PSM. Now 3-4 topic, nutrition is left, immunization left. Please move on. If you delay, let's do 1 more day for PSM, you will never be able to do. Why? 100% don't need to do any subject, okay. Even 70-80% you do, you'll be able to solve. So please stick to schedule, okay. Move when time over. Please move when the time is over. And let's say half a day is left and 3. Please see the important. So what do? See important, okay, or one-liners. But don't waste time in giving extra, okay. Some are 5-6 hours is manageable, but giving 1 or 2 days will not be advocable, okay. So that's why stick to the schedule. Number 2, make sure diet, nutrition, mental status is good. So good mental health, only positive thoughts, no negative thought ki exam is postponed, preponed, I'll pass, or you will pass. Paper would be easy because the time of crisis, government has even allowed what? Colleges to not have exam, pass the people, no board exam. So that's why so many things they occurred, okay. So that's why I don't, okay. Number 3, start with small subjects. My advice, never with big subject, okay. Start with small ones. Why? Because once you finish them in 2-3 days, you will have the 5 subject done. So that's why start with small ones and you will be fully confident that we have revised them. Are you clear now? So that is a very important thing, okay. Don't skip a subject. If you are skipping or want to skip, at least see the important. It will take hardly 3-4 hours. So don't skip completely. At least do important. So don't skip. At least do one-liners. It will take hardly 3-4 hours, okay. So 3-4 hours. See, I have given 10 hours. Let's say you want to skip, sir, I don't want to do biochem. Okay, fine. But at least for 5 hours, you can revise the rate limiting enzyme, etc. Anatomy, at least read about the main muscles or their supply or like the content. Carpal tunnel is asked all the time. So how can you miss? Okay. So that's why please don't do this. Okay. So don't skip. At least do one-liners in this case. Are you clear? Fine. And don't study any new material. No new material. The revision program we'll be having on YouTube, it'll have no new material. It'll just be a revision of all physiopatho, pharma, etc. So no new materials. No new materials at all, please. Okay, fine. And finally, 30th August. Just relax. Just relax. Okay. See documents. See your documents. Which documents? ID, admit card. Okay. Clear? They are there. Okay. Exam day message, like don't wear any rings, any jewelry, they get them all out. Okay. Clear? Carry test, sanitizer. Okay. Everything we'll discuss just 3-4 days before the exam, how to approve the center, etc. But right now, just focus on this. Okay, so 30th August, relax, do nothing, don't try to read. If you want to do, what you can do is just see your sticky notes, the ones you want to. So only very important points you should see if you want to see. Otherwise, even you just relax, sleep on time. Okay, and sleep on time. By 10 or 11 p.m. you should be in the bed, so that you can wake up 6 o'clock and you are able to give exam and pass without any problem. Okay, so please, best of luck to all of you. Don't worry, you will all pass. Any problem, doubt, I am always available. And you might have heard from your seniors, juniors, that yes, I am trustworthy in this regard, because yes, a teacher is only known to the students who are able to succeed. Okay, clear? And seeing you all succeed will make all of us, okay, will very happy. Okay, so please, any problem, do come to me, come to us, entire institute. And I'm thankful to Dr. Bhatia Institute for giving me this platform for recording this video for all of you. Are you clear? So thank you very much. Good night. Take care.